Today, in this fun video, we are going to make smooth whole cranberry sauce. This recipe is very easy. All we need is one package of cranberries, 1.5 cups of sugar, 2 cups of water, and most importantly, a blender. First, rinse the cranberries with cold water. Remove any mushy or green cranberries that you see. Then place half of the cleaned cranberries into the food processor and then add 1 cup of water. Always place the lid on the blender before starting the blender. Let's start the food processor. Let the berries blend until they appear smooth. Then stop the food processor and add the remaining cranberries and continue blending. Resume blending until the cranberries are thoroughly pureed. Once it looks smooth, turn off the blender, remove the lid, and pour the raw cranberries into a large saucepan and bring them to a boil. Stir occasionally during this process. You can use more or less sugar depending on how sweet you want your cranberry sauce. Boil the cranberries for about 10 minutes. When they are finished, remove them from the stove and pour into a clear glass container. Caution, the cranberries will be hot. Let the cranberries cool for about 3 hours and they will thicken into a thick jelly. Enjoy, thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.